Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Be Perfect. Today in this video I will discuss 5 steps to improve your communication skills in detail. These 5 skills or steps are absolutely necessary for successful communication in the workplace as well as in private life. Let's proceed. Number 1. Listen intently. Listening is one of the most important aspects of communication. Successful listening is not just an understanding of spoken or written information, but also an understanding of how the speaker feels during communication. If a speaker can see and feel that someone is listening and understanding, that can help build a stronger, deeper relationship between interlocutors. Careful listening can also create an environment in which everyone feels safe to express ideas, opinions, and feelings and plan and solve problems in a creative way. Number 2. Straight talking. Conversation is the basis of communication and one must not neglect its importance. Even a simple, friendly conversation with colleagues can build mutual trust and even detect problems before they become serious. A healthy dose of chatting with an unknown person can lead to a business opportunity. Be accessible and friendly because then you will be able to talk almost to anyone. Number 3. Non-verbal communication. When we talk about things that matter to us, then we send a lot of non-verbal messages. Non-verbal signals are wordless communication, such as body position, facial expressions, hand movements, gestures, eye contact, attitude and tone of your voice, muscle tension, and the way you breathe, the way you look, listen, create, react, speak for more about feelings than words will ever be able to. Why non-verbal communication skills are important? Because according to Salesforce's research and interpersonal communication, 93% of communication is non-verbal. Developing the ability to understand others and use non-verbal signals will help you connect with others, express what you think, meet challenging situations, and build better relationships at home and at work. Number 4. Stress management. In small quantities, stress can be very useful and encouraging for work. However, when the stress becomes constant and completely begins to take effect, it can affect communication, clarity of opinions, and appreciate behavior and action. When you are under stress, you may misunderstand people, send confusing non-verbal signals, and use funny patterns of behavior. How often did you feel stress during discussion with your friends and colleagues and then said or did something you regretted later? If you improve stress management skills, not only will you avoid these subsequent regrets, but you will also be able to influence the other person you are entering into a conflict.